Love to be going to the airport and getting somewhere cold.
Yes, definitely. Someplace cooler would be just fabulous right now. But unfortunately, I think to go anywhere cooler, you have to go up to like the North Pole. I mean,
I'm game right now.
Well, let's go. All right. Okay. All right. Right now, our Lake Travis cam right there, high atop the Steiner Ranch Steakhouse is just as beautiful. I like this shot right here. And speaking of like cooler air, Abe, at Camp Mabry, they've now gone 26 days without any measurable rain. That's just crazy, isn't it? And then at the airport, they've gone 10 days without any rain. The last rain they got was on Sunday, June 5th, and then it was only 0.05 of an inch. So obviously, without having to repeat it, but I will, we definitely need some rainfall around here. Right now, it is 103 degrees, and by 10 o'clock, it's going to drop down just a little bit. Still pretty clear as far as the skies go, 75. By noon, 93 degrees. Actually, that should actually say like midnight or so, about 93, or tomorrow, 93 degrees. It's going to be a hot one no matter how you want to slice this one. Mostly clear, though, right now, and temperatures at 103 at Camp Mabry and 102 at the airport. Our allergy forecast is not so great for the mold. We're looking at 1,071 parts per million, which puts it in the high range, and then the grass is nice and low there at about 41. Now, our satellite and radar is, as you can see, just as clear as possible. I think we could probably even just see all the way straight through to Dallas at this point. It's unbelievably dry, unbelievably warm, and because of that, that's one good reason why we haven't had any rain. A lot of times what we need to start firing off a few thunderstorms and showers is already some moisture at the ground level, so that way we can get some convection, maybe with a cold front that comes this way. But right now, we have nothing, and that's really part of our problem. It's a vicious circle. Our clouds and radar forecast, though, notice how right about here on Wednesday night, which is tonight, we're looking at just a little spotty shower up in North Texas. That's about it. Now, there is actually a lot of warm air underneath us right now. We still have that high pressure filtering in all that warm, moist air. And like I said, you know, the lucky folks up in North Texas, though, they do actually have a little bit of low pressure up to the north of them, and that's also going to start dragging with it a cold front into next week. Now, here's the problem. Even after putting this into motion, that cold front doesn't come necessarily close enough to us to really do any real rain work for us, but we'll see what we can do by midweek. Forecast lows tonight. We're going to stand at 76 in Rockdale, 74 in Burnett, overnight 75 in Lakeway. Right here in Austin, 75 degrees, and we do have a little bit of a chance of some gustier winds coming through. Cloud cover does increase into overnight and then into the morning hours tomorrow, but then dissipates rather quickly. 102 tomorrow, and those heat index values, add about a degree or two onto those, and that'll give you a good ballpark figure for what it is, what it's going to feel like for you guys out in the sun. Tomorrow, hotter. On Friday, look at that. 102. 102 again on Saturday and Sunday, and even warmer in the hill country. Keep in mind, the closer we get, or I should say the further away we get from the coast, the less amount of cool air from the water comes around, so that's going to pop up those temperatures in the hill country for us. And even into Tuesday and Wednesday, again, 99 for us. We're hoping by Tuesday as the next front comes around.